Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. So today I've just got a whole bunch of little things to do, a lot of organizing, putting things away, putting small little things together, and it's just a bunch of random little projects, and I thought I'd bring you along for them and see if anybody had any interest in them. First thing we got to do is put a new drain cock in the central pneumatic 21-gallon air compressor here. So I apologize, this isn't the best lighting, but this drain cock that's on here was on here when I bought this compressor from Harbor Freight. This is the compressor that I picked up for 25 bucks from the parking lot sale. And this drain cock has been bad ever since I bought this air compressor. And I actually took it apart. You can see I've got some blue thread tape on there. I already took this apart, tried fixing it. I just put it back together and broke it even more than it was when I got it, just so I could keep using it. But now I got to replace it, and with this new one. There's a little rust coating on this drain cock, which is a little bit concerning. There are some rust flakes in that, which I'm not a big fan of. This new one seems to work a lot better. It's very smooth, has a good O-ring. Alright, so the next thing you gotta do is put this new pipe on this muffler for the Predator 420 engine that I have. So the reason why I have this in the first place is because I bought this Predator 420cc to do an engine swap on my Cub Cadet 149. And when I got it, they brought me a box that was just totally beat to heck. And I thought something inside of that thing is going to be damaged. And I thought I should just check it out in the parking lot. But I didn't. Against my better judgment, I thought it would be packed well enough, maybe that stuff on the inside would be protected. Got home, found this had been totally destroyed. Even this little cage around it is like all bent up, broken into about 10 pieces, which was no good. And so I called them up, told them about it, told them I was really irritated because my closest Harbor Freight's 35 minutes away, and they said they had set another engine aside for me. And this Predator 420 is not light. I bet it's between 60 and 80 pounds. I just thought, I just got to haul that thing all the way back into that Harbor Freight store just for an exhaust pipe. And then I thought, you know what, I'm putting this thing on a tractor. I'm probably going to want to put like a little tractor pipe, custom tractor pipe on it anyway at some point. I'm just not going to worry about it. So I never went and got the new engine or anything like that. I wanted them to just pull the exhaust pipe off the other engine so I could just run in there and get it sometime. Of course, they weren't going to do that. I had to swap out the whole engine or something. So anyway, I thought I was going to just make a custom exhaust anyway. And then recently decided that I better just get this exhaust muffler on there while I still don't have this thing up and running. So I went on Amazon and bought this new gasket and pipe for like 13 or 14 bucks. I don't remember how much it was. So that's the long version, and I got to get it put back on the engine now. Alright, so the next little mini project is to put an Ensign 7/8 ball hitch on the, I don't know, the little red trailer that I bought from the junkyard and fixed up. Bent back into shape, kind of revived the tires with some tire slime. I think I may have put new valve stems in them too, and then put a new tongue on it, and then just repainted it. It's a great little trailer, but so we're gonna cut this off here where I used to just put a hitch pin, and we're gonna go to the ball hitch instead. My $25 open box portaband from Bauer. Yeah, I don't use it very often because I cannot cut straight with it, but I do like the opportunity to use it whenever I have a chance. And this is a really good job for it, so I get to use it. I think Harbor Freight sent me the wrong size tongue size. It was me that screwed up. I had the right ones in there, and then I switched computers when I actually made the order because I bought these online, and then everything didn't save in my cart, so I had to go re-add everything. And then apparently I put the 2.5 inch tongue in the cart instead of the 2-inch tongue. So I'm thinking I might just run to Walmart and pick up the right size. Alright, so that's pretty much going to do it for this video. Probably seemed like less than it was. I did end up going to Walmart and I bought another 2.5 inch coupler, but it had some spacers in it, so that's what I ended up using. And you can probably hear my kids jumping in that trailer right now, making a bunch of noise back there. Anyway, so this is the kind of stuff that like I do all the time that doesn't get put on camera. There was even things I did today that didn't get put on camera anyway. Just like cleaning things up. I did a bunch of organizing today, changed some things around like I always do, trying to create a little more space in this small shop. Yeah, so hopefully this video was like at least mildly enjoyable. Thanks for everybody for watching. Thanks for being a subscriber. And if you could give this video a thumbs up, I'd really appreciate it. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.